Hello friends, I welcome you to this class. In today's class, I want to show you how you can create citation and bibliography, mainly specifically on University of Ibadan Manual of Style. Um, it is assumed that you have opened a Mendeley account, you've downloaded and installed Mendeley desktop app. Now, if you are here to do that, kindly check through the description box. You will see the link to the video of how to open Mendeley account and how to download and install the Mendeley app. So by default, Men does not have University of Ibadan Manual of Style. So as a researcher, you need to download and add it to the Mendeley citation styles. Mendeley has a lot of citation styles. You can check the description button for the link. Now, after you've copied the link, what you have to do, and you have opened your Mendeley desktop app. This might have a lot of documents I've downloaded and have saved and organized inside the Mendeley desktop app. Click on View. Now, by the time you click on it, you are not going to have University of Ibadan Manual of Style. These are the names of the people that work on it. Because I've added it to Mendeley account, that's why you have it. And so what you have to do when you want to practice it from your home, click on More Styles. A dialog box appears. When you see a dialog box, click on Get More Styles. Now, come to this. Come to this bar. Copy the link on the description box, paste it here. Click on Download. So when you click on Download, after that, added, click on Done. So that's all. And you can choose, if it's APA, you want to use 7th edition, you click on 7th edition. If it's UIMS, that's what I'm using. So now, if all the document or articles you have in your Mendeley, you can highlight all of it, click on it, copy as formatted. Copy as formatted. Yes. Open your Microsoft. Yes, can you see? So all the document, all the articles I have there, I've generated them in UIMS. And let's say you are working, if you are working on using Word document, you have the article like this. Let's say, okay, this one, I copied this from one of the articles. I've assumed that you have paraphrased it and you are working in using Microsoft Word, and you want to create the inter citation and also bibliography. So you want to create the inter citation using UIMS. Now, of course, so what you have to do is click on References and click on Insert Citation. You can, if you know the name of the author, like that is Lee, that's the name of the author. I want to Lee. Yes, this is the author. Click on it and click OK. Lee, that this is inter citation, Lee Capro and Capro 2018. And we'll stop. And you can continue 2 pages, 3 pages, as many as you want to work with. And at the end of it, you can just create the bibliography at a click. All you just have to do is click on Insert Bibliography. Can you see that? So if you have worked more than one inter citation, if it's 100, this how it's going. This how it will be generated at a click. So this is how to create citation bibliography on UIMS. If you are here to subscribe to our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can get updates on our subsequent uploads. Thank you for watching.